Hey there, market junkies. Welcome to the show that separates the rockets from the duds. We're diving deep into the sizzling hot stocks of 2024, the ones that are taking Wall Street by storm. You see that market ticker? It's on fire, hitting all-time highs, and guess what? These stocks, they're the fuel. So strap in, get ready for some serious financial analysis, and let's unlock the secrets behind these market behemoths. We're talking about the movers, the shakers, the companies that are rewriting the rules of the game. And by the time we're done, you'll know exactly why they're the hottest tickets in town. First up, we're talking Tesla, the brainchild of Elon Musk, a man who doesn't just dream big, he dreams in gigafactories. Tesla isn't just making cars, they're building the future of transportation. Electric vehicles are no longer a niche market, they're mainstream, and Tesla's leading the charge with cutting-edge technology, sleek designs, and a range that would make a gas guzzler weep. But wait, there's more. Tesla's also a major player in renewable energy, with their solar panels and Powerwall batteries changing the way we power our homes and businesses. This is a company that's firing on all cylinders, and the stock market's taking notice. Their stock performance? It's not just good, it's electrifying. We're talking about a company that's gone from strength to strength, defying the doubters and rewarding the believers. Remember when people said electric cars were a fad? Well, Tesla's laughing all the way to the bank, and their stock price reflects that incredible growth. This isn't just about cars, it's about a vision for a sustainable future, and investors are buying into that vision big time. Next up, we're talking about Apple, the tech titan that's become synonymous with innovation and sleek design. Every time Apple launches a new product, the world goes crazy, and for good reason. From the iconic iPhone to the powerful MacBooks, Apple products are more than just devices. They're status symbols, must-have accessories, and they generate billions in revenue. But Apple's not resting on its laurels. They're constantly innovating, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with new product launches and updates that keep consumers coming back for more. Whether it's a new iPhone with a mind-blowing camera or a revolutionary new Mac with their own M-series chips, Apple knows how to create products that people crave. And the stock market? It's eating it up, with Apple's stock consistently outperforming the competition. Now let's talk about Amazon, the e-commerce giant that's changed the way we shop. What started as an online bookstore has morphed into a global behemoth, selling everything from groceries to gadgets, clothes to cloud computing services. Amazon's secret? Convenience, competitive pricing, and a relentless focus on customer satisfaction. They've mastered the art of getting you what you want, when you want it, and at a price that's hard to beat. But Amazon's not just about selling stuff. They're also pioneers in cloud computing, with Amazon Web Services, providing the backbone for countless businesses worldwide. This diversification, this constant expansion into new markets, is a key driver of Amazon's stock performance. They're not a one-trick pony, and investors love that. This is a company that's constantly innovating, constantly growing, and their stock price reflects that dominance. Chapter 4. Microsoft, from software to the cloud, this giant still soars. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to talk about Microsoft, a company that's been a tech powerhouse for decades. From their ubiquitous Windows operating system to the ever-popular Office suite, Microsoft software is used by billions worldwide. But they haven't rested on their laurels, not even for a nanosecond. Instead, they've reinvented themselves, transforming from a primarily software-focused company to a cloud computing giant. Azure, their cloud platform, is giving Amazon a run for its money and attracting businesses of all sizes. And let's not forget their gaming division, with Xbox a household name and a major player in the gaming industry. This constant innovation, this ability to adapt and thrive in a rapidly changing technological landscape, is why Microsoft stock continues to be a market darling. Title: Nvidia, powering the future. This chipmaker is on fire. Next up, we're diving into the world of high-powered computing with Nvidia, a company that's gone from making graphics cards for gamers to powering the artificial intelligence revolution. Their chips are the brains behind everything from self-driving cars to advanced robotics, and the demand is only growing. We're talking about a company that's at the forefront of one of the most transformative technologies of our time, and the market recognizes that. Nvidia's stock performance has been nothing short of phenomenal. They've consistently outpaced the competition, and for good reason. They're not just keeping up with the latest advancements in AI and gaming, they're driving them. This is a company that's not afraid to push the boundaries, to invest heavily in research and development, and that's why they're the go-to choice for anyone who needs serious computing power. Chapter 6. Alphabet, the Googleplex of profits. Don't miss this train. Now let's talk about Alphabet, the parent company of Google, a name that's become synonymous with search. But Alphabet is so much more than just Google. They're a sprawling tech conglomerate with their fingers in everything from self-driving cars with Waymo to life sciences with Verily. But let's not kid ourselves. Google is the cash cow, the engine that drives this behemoth. Their dominance in search and digital advertising is unparalleled, generating billions in revenue. But here's the thing about Alphabet. They're not afraid to experiment, to invest in moonshot projects that could revolutionize entire industries. Some of these bets may not pay off, but the ones that do have the potential to be game changers. This combination of a cash cow business model with a forward-thinking, innovative spirit is what makes Alphabet so attractive to investors. Chapter 7. Hold on tight, because we're about to enter the metaverse with Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook. Yes, they're still the social media giant, connecting billions of people worldwide through Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. But Mark Zuckerberg, the visionary founder, sees a future beyond the like button, a future where we work, play, and connect in immersive virtual worlds. The metaverse is still in its early stages, but Meta is betting big on it, pouring billions into its development. This is a high-risk, high-reward strategy, and it's reflected in their stock price. Investors are cautiously optimistic, recognizing the massive potential of the metaverse, but also aware of the challenges ahead. This is a stock for those who believe in the power of innovation, who are willing to ride the wave of disruption, even if it means a bumpy ride at times. Chapter 8. Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's wisdom, a portfolio for the ages. Let's shift gears now and talk about Berkshire Hathaway, the investment conglomerate led by the legendary Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. Unlike some of the other companies we've discussed, Berkshire Hathaway isn't focused on one particular industry or technology. They're the epitome of diversification, with a portfolio that includes everything from insurance companies like Geico to consumer goods giants like Coca-Cola and Kraft Heinz. Buffett's investment philosophy is all about value investing, finding companies with strong fundamentals, a durable competitive advantage, and holding them for the long term. This patient, disciplined approach has made Berkshire Hathaway one of the most successful investment firms in history, and their stock performance reflects that. This is a stock for those who believe in the power of long-term investing, who are content to let their money grow steadily over time, guided by the wisdom of one of the greatest investors of all time. Chapter 9. Johnson & Johnson, a healthy dose of profits. This stock's a winner. Now let's talk about a company that's been a household name for generations, Johnson & Johnson, a healthcare giant with a diverse portfolio of products that touch the lives of millions every day. From their iconic baby powder to life-saving pharmaceuticals, Johnson & Johnson is a company that's synonymous with trust and reliability. They're a leader in consumer health products, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices, and their global reach is unparalleled. But Johnson & Johnson isn't content to rest on its laurels. They're constantly innovating, investing heavily in research and development to develop new treatments and therapies for some of the world's most pressing health challenges. This commitment to innovation, coupled with their strong brand recognition and global distribution network, makes Johnson & Johnson a formidable force in the healthcare industry. Chapter 10. JP Morgan Chase. Banking on success. This stock's a safe bet. Finally, let's talk about JP Morgan Chase, one of the largest banks in the world. A financial powerhouse with operations in investment banking, commercial banking, financial transaction processing, asset management, and private equity. They're a cornerstone of the global financial system, and their stock is a bellwether for the overall health of the market. JP Morgan Chase has weathered its share of storms, from the financial crisis of 2008 to the recent banking turmoil, and they've emerged stronger each time. Their conservative lending practices, their diversified business model, and their sheer size give them a stability that's hard to match in the often volatile world of finance. There you have it, folks, a deep dive into the top-performing stocks of 2024, the companies that are shaping the future and rewarding investors along the way. Remember, these are just a few of the many exciting opportunities out there in the stock market. Keep doing your research, stay informed, and never be afraid to invest in companies you believe in. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on the stock market and investment tips. We'll be back soon with more insights and analysis to help you navigate the exciting world of finance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed financial insights. And remember, in the words of the immortal Kenny Rogers, you've got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run. Until next time, happy investing.